Hey guys, it's Janessa. I want to show you this really nifty airtight butter storage. So this has a lot of really cool features beyond just the airtight. And I do like the airtight just because I feel like the butter will last longer in there. Having air not coming in, it prevents some mold. And that's really helpful, especially if you're actually making your own butter. So just always remember that too. You got to be really careful. But these airtight ones are great. And then also, I don't have to worry about anything getting inside of it either. So I do appreciate the large size of this. So this is just a regular stick of butter. It actually would fit two in there perfectly. You can see there's like actually some indentations here. So you can go and measure your tablespoons. But it's got a little bit of texture here on the bottom. So this isn't going to slide around. You see it's like not moving. It's not going to slide around when you're taking this over to the table. And it's got a nice little lip on both sides. So again, it just kind of keeps that butter where it needs to be. And then it just kind of easily locks on both sides. Yeah, really great item to have. I love that it's airtight. I highly recommend this if you're looking for a butter dish.